Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the minority status certificate. This certificate I have uploaded on my Telegram channel. From there you can download the certificate, okay? And then fill this certificate as per my instruction, okay? Now what you need to see, fill this here. You need to write the headmaster name, okay? Name of the headmaster here. Then here you need to write the school name and have verified admission, register with reference to admission application and certify that your name and here you need to write the, if your son or if your daughter, you need to tick that daughter of your father name, F name, okay? Father name you have to write. Then who studied in this institution with admission number, they will have the admission number, or you can see your TC Xerox copy of 10th. From there you can write the admission number over here, and you have studied in that school from which year to year, okay? That you need to write. You belong to which religion, Muslim, Christian, whatever religion, that is minority religion, so you need to write that here. Then you need to write the date here, full name of yours, and designation still with the headmaster signature, okay? That you have to do, and take the Xerox copies of that with the document, and this will hold as a minority certificate for the counseling, okay? This much you have to do. You don't need to go to MiSeva for making this minority certificate. You can make it by yourself. If you are new on my channel and need the guidance related to the counseling, you can subscribe my channel and share my channel with your friends. Thanks for watching.